In Kisii University abatogocha kolera. Nyamira University College, a constituent college of Kisii University, which will take care of for 3 years or so. We have proposed to start 4 schools instead of 3. Normally it's 3, but we have proposed to start 4. We'll start the School of Agriculture and Natural Resources. We'll start the School of Information Sciences and Technology. We'll start School of Education and Human Resource Management. And then the School of Business and Economics. And initially, soko chakera, the proposal ya ito kare with the young sphere elder, tochine commission, and tochine commission, tora kora. Ati monto manano mumurojega, mujumra with the chati and the buga. Nero ko organize, nanaga to organize. We are beginning with 100 students for each program, but we'll grow. We will grow. Again, tunda ko bate kumuranje. Tuition block ngwa gachwere. Lakini ngaya bana wa chokora. Ngaya bana wa chokora. Iho mnamwate biwa na matoke na abantu bana bakwanirega. Kumuranje mwaka ache chinyumba ga goeta. Abana bali bache barale chinyumba echo babakane chibesa. Abana abo bali gocha na ndagera kusobo, ndagera babagolia matoke, chinyeni na kadhalika yonsiga. In Kisii University, we want to assure you, the leadership of Nyamira, that we are together, and that as Kisii University, once we are given instruction, our business is to ensure that we deliver.